You have to get wicked, you have to fight a boy. You have to go back like every mash up in this. That's what you have to do with Jamaican man. Now when I release you can do with Jamaican man. Oh hi baby, how are you? I miss you. How's your day going? You can't hear. You can do that sometime when he's a good boy. When you go like you want to be a body, you have to be a wicked boy.
Yeah, 15.
I said go. So you don't know people. See, come on. You want to put on the shades and different segment to reach up. Can I drop to my shades and different segment to reach up? People that talk about the most stream dancehall artists on YouTube. The many years now. Because it is a general in a dancehall. We are talking about one of the biggest lyricists ever. The biggest dancehall. We are talking about this artist is from St. Thomas. The Eastern Planet Island. St. Catherine. Whatever. Are you ready? Ready, Lord.
Don't play no rhythm, don't play no rhythm, don't play no rhythm. I'm not saying all about you know about this going on. Every killer we are call out, who can't start war with war boy. Tell them to push it, not this all about. Roll over, the accent, all them want start war boy, no one there, belly open. Give me a rhythm on the fire. Where are you? Let me see the other eye down the world and get blood in the spine there. We're ready then, I will have a winner and my mother will open up. I want to expect that, you won't think that up. She said she ain't been up, slowly. She said we're changing, I know I'm on the moment. She said we're skipping the fire thing, brody. You know, I said they give us a look. You say I'm on bossing. Them silver Jesus with silver, you're explosive. You say it. They know them really gonna reason them and start notice. One thing to tell myself, you can fuck on me now. You know can't blow back them wire. And most time you see. One thing to tell myself, you know sleep on the yard. Let me clear it. Let me go now. You want love for me now, that for nobody want to have my love chat to make up a rock with a back in. Still give up. Let me read him clear the man. Yeah, you girl, go up on some of my steers and love you, man. Give up everybody and here. This girl is a $1 million for what? We're not let's get talking. Alright then, Nina, just now, body, baby. I'm gonna hear it if you want me. Give us in around there. And we got everybody in around. We got everybody in the I remember we're not taking on drugs from nobody at all. Everyone thinks we're the brand. No. Alright, come up in my coffee. Alright then. Sit together down. I'm just going to do the selfie over there. I'm from other department. Now we're up with it. I'm from Mexico. I'm saying Black and white. the solution. And I'm willing to love. You're so paranoid. I'm telling you, it's nothing new. I'm in the fucking lighter. Top of the job, lock in my room. Burn up all the burn again. But you're so living, I am. Can't jump out, we're taking you like that. So nothing, now we don't go fight. To be a bucket, I want to fuck. One of them all picture you and talk back. 2.5 years, now don't die. We got another girl. Pick up the girl that's all pretty in a ring light. When I have to put on the makeup to look bro. Big up all like natural, don't fuck that girl. Johnny, big up yourself. You roll with some girl. Some girl, them a trickster. How come she body look big up and extra? Let me see. Give us some time now. You know we're going to one after. We're going to get one laugh to the world. Watch me go yourself. Yeah. Alright, look it up now. You know what we said we know. One laugh. Well, alright. We make money on birthday. Money on every day for me. Give me some time now. Get a push at that. Let it see, let it see. You know what back is down. That's how everybody work out now. Let it see, let it see. Let it see. One day I know say I get push represent all the time. I think some come from whoever. Well alright, you know play with people. Right to me show me now. Hear me a son of man. One go, you one go. What's all down there? What is it? Think like better than you. Fucking all that you know it. You show me. Feel like I'm closing the movie. Submitting for building. I'm in a fracture. Well alright. Come on to some Bobby with a party. Rock it up and dance me automatic. Third rock on the street when you're not at it. Like green and ball with them roar like the fire. Little mommy burn them up on fire. Honey burn and them all by the parties. If you know states, you know where they come from. Well alright. I'll take what I'll take. I'll go from the road course. Let them move you know. What's your style? is 16, under age 15. Crime scene, under from the movie, under really good as somewhere on flesh. I will see dog on top of me, I will see my ears. This is how many stuff from X1 Chop, we see my love. We learn some things, we not get it up, we feel empty, we not have it up. It's one of the ones to stop, we can't get it up. The young man, got the fire regular, we not sketch it up, we can't get it up. Oh, we can feel that we can run the cement this time. We expect it, let's be dirty, very class. Yeah. I try to go in, yeah. No, I feel that now we come down off the green. Yeah, we just are everything. That's how one day we want everything. We find ourselves I swear that's a feeling. Let's get it up, come on. Yeah. Long one shots, long big steps. Up on your arm, tell me that it's screwed up. You know that's what I'm about here. Always good, don't you? That's what I'm about right now. Yeah. What do you have to how should you do? Rasta. What's up? We're still around down the far from problem. The pussy down the belly of the farm, there's some black over right now. Never artists down on the race doing them on the body ground, but I'm not here. We're still around down the far from. We're still far from the answer. Still a beat of the shot from the. Can't get me down to the phone yet. Run if you want for the road there. Yeah, true. Nigga, please, for the rain, it's for the rain. That's on the lungs, yes. Yeah, look how I get shot at. I want to put the whole blood in a mobile grabber. Yeah, I tell my mother when they go to a room, you come and say, Thomas. Lonely days I get common. But pass on the way burn. Yeah, I'm fine, I want to escape everywhere we turn trouble. Still a breeze, still a weed, but them a breathe, them a no dream. Yeah, we were cool, like from the puzzle free, from the left and give up. Watch out now, still a me, myself, one that can't be no one of me. Still a breathe, out them weak feet about the way. Hey, roll over, I run from the far from. Give me the next one. One way spell, man. See, I'm too functional, rock with the general. Yeah. And because everybody in a play about popular people are not looking at themselves, you see that here? Big up the peace officer there, you see what I said? But you know what I said with you? Big now we're bound for different man thing, you see what I here? Yeah. Know that things for me now here right now. Brother, right here's my blood. Yeah, but message we want you. Can't stop. What is can't stop? We see how we go. We can't get it last year. No, we got ready to stop that. Flash on how we better put a bar on. I'm straight ready, but it comes back on. Them say we have to face anything we want, but we want to go down on everything now, man. They roll up on you. One more. Let's get up with this problem. What a style, you know. Protect the one, you protect yourself. You don't have to have anything. Why don't we get no pencil? Give me the next one. Give me the next one, you not people. You know what that is going on. If you don't catch my money, you're gonna take my charge. I'm not no genuine. I'm the permanent to everything. Long time you don't sleep, but really glad me and make up. Love for me, God, if you run on me, can't find love on me, can't trust nobody. The rough road, yeah, just the summer of it. We're about me, can't have a dog, yeah. If you get to it, then you charge, yeah. Of a bright future full of. Give me the next one, I'm millions in the back, bro. Yeah, that's what I want about last week, Peter. Give me the next one, brother. How do we explain more? I don't care, keep the more than one Peter. It's like we're no friend dinner. Rather run from when I lock down friend dinner. Rather sleep in a tree where picture we put them messing up. And fizzy video long. Rather sleep up a blue mountain peak than be a big ball on zero pop. And we know jeans after when they brought this before. But then we're no friend, the friend of all, we're no friend, the friend of all, we know. Fuck this shit, man. That's in the show.